guys, we are here today. As I promised to you, I'm making a vlogging session about the project that I started yesterday. It's farming on Cyborgswap. Basically you need 2 coins. This swap, it's working on Chronos, so I invested $200 or $200 and $8, something like this. And right now I'm gonna show you my results here. Yes, so basically I have invested only 208 something, and now I have 241 because of this liquidity, because it's raised in price, because one of these coins has raised in price, and I have earned an additional $7.79 from only 1 day and 2 hours and 30 minutes. So basically it's like 25 hours, something like this. So in 25 hours from an investment of 200 bucks, I've earned almost $8. It's not much, but when you think that you will receive something every day, this is very powerful because it's compound effect, so it's very good now in this bear market. So you can earn big money if you invest here, like 1,000 euro, 10,000 euro. Better it would be 10,000 euro. Of course this comes with an impermanent loss. What it means this? It's called impermanent because when a coin like this CBO or CNFT, it will drop because of the market, but the beauty it is that you can sell it after the price. It will go up, but you will receive 2 times your money. So basically in 2 ways you'll receive your money. This way your liquidity, your money is staked, it will rise, but in the other way you'll receive free money. This is free money. So basically on an investment on 10,000, let's say you have 10,000. I like the big numbers, but I play with small numbers, so unpleasant at the moment, but it will come this day very soon, I hope. In the first day you'll receive $279, not bad at all. 7 days later you'll have 2,126. You tell me now, who will give you this money? If you know something bigger than this, please tell me, because I don't know something bigger than this. 3 days later, 30 days later, you will receive 12,000 dollars. So basically you receive your money plus something 20% of this 120% you'll receive here in this case. So the bigger the number, the beautiful the project it is. I will yes, I can write it $100,000. For $100,000 in 30 days you'll receive in one day you will receive 2,800, and 7 days later you receive 21,000 in 7 days. In 30 days you receive 128,000. So basically you will receive your money another $128,000. I don't know this. I'm not saying you have or you don't have this money. It's up to you. I'm showing you the opportunity here. So who will give you the double your money in 30 days? Please show me this opportunity, because I don't know. So for today, these were my money, $7.80, and with this $241. This was for today, guys. I will keep you updated with the crypto market and some good NFT projects. I wish you a good day, and if you like this type of content, please give me a like and subscribe, because I want to share this type of information with many other people. Have a good day.